Morning, everyone. It is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our school theme song. We do not have Max singing today, but if you watch yesterday's morning meeting video, you will see him singing our theme song. Oh no. Let's try this again. A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is Warnsdorfer School. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 Nice job. All right, let's take a look at our Friday plan. Fridays are our kind of reflection day, so there isn't a lot of work on Fridays. So please make sure that you are watching our morning meeting video. Make sure to do our daily check-in and feel free to check out our class Flipgrid. Today you have a freckle assignment that is mandatory. That's your only work that you have. You did a really nice job on your box office. I'm really impressed with how you did with the fractions and comparing them. And so today you're just doing a quick freckle assignment. For language arts, you're sharing your subtopics about your animal on Flipgrid here, and make sure that you listen to Winn-Dixie by today. Here are your may-dos. You have a lot of options. Remember in writing that your may-do on Friday is to write your Friday letter to me. I would love that. I'll write back. I love to know what's going on with you guys, what you're doing to keep busy, and just how you're doing in general with virtual learning. And your virtual field trip is to the Everglades. So if you're interested, feel free to check that out. Okay, remember that you have to make a Google Doc card for a doctor or a nurse by today. I will be submitting those to that nurse at New York Presbyterian Hospital later today. So make sure if you are interested in participating that you do get that in by today. Last chance to do your inventor scavenger hunt. Ronan and Isabella both did it and they did awesome jobs. It was really fun to see what they could find around the house. And they did an awesome job. So see if you can find some inventions as well. Finally, your Feel Good Friday notes. Bella, I love how hard you worked on your math assignments. Adrian, I enjoyed your fun stories about your silly breakfasts. Haley, your work is so nice and organized. Mia Gann, you are an animal research rock star. Abby, you included such great facts on your animal. Bowen, I love when you tell stories about you and Hohen. Isha, you always say the sweetest things in our daily check-in. Dael, your picture receiving the letter I wrote you made my day. Noah, you and your mom make a great team. Joshua, you went above and beyond this week in all assignments. Mia M, I love how hard you work on keeping in touch in the class. Jackson, I love how you submitted your math to me via video. Priya, your work has been so neat and organized. Bradley, one day I will beat you in Mario Kart, but maybe not on Rainbow Road. Leia, your YouTube channel is hilarious. Ashley, you were so brave not to worry about the thunderstorms. Even I thought they were loud. Nick, I was so glad to see you on our morning meeting. Keep up the delicious baking. Harry, your daily check-ins always make me smile. Larry, you are pretty good at guessing the answers to the daily Joker riddles. Isabella, I loved your inventor scavenger hunt video. And Ronan, I love your sweet smile in our Zoom morning meeting. So I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend, that you rest and relax, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys.